Hi guys, in this video I just want to show you how I make changes in Genesis child themes. This is really aimed for beginners and I consider myself a beginner. So I just want to share my findings and how I do things. Right now we are looking at Genesis sample, which is the kind of a default child theme in Genesis. And let's say the requirement is to remove this line which shows the date by the author, leave a comment, that entire line. And also the second requirement is to get rid of this filed under portfolio. This might contain tags as well if the entry has any tags. And the third requirement is to move the post title from above and just put it immediately above the content or excerpt, whatever it is. So right now I have in my theme settings, if you go to Genesis and theme settings, I have it set to display the post excerpts, and also I have it set to include and show the featured image, and the size of the featured image selected is 300 by 300, and this is the featured image or the post thumbnail, and this is the excerpt. And so in Genesis, most of the changes that you do are using the add action, remove action, and you need to understand hooks and filters as well to a lesser extent, I guess, at least not for this video. Okay. Alright, so there are two ways to figure out which hook to use, and the first method that I know of is using this plugin called Genesis Visual Hook Guide. So once you have the plugin active, you can see that there's a new menu item in the admin bar called G Hook Guide. In that, if you click on action hooks, it's going to show all the hooks available that we can latch on to or remove stuff from. So you can see that the post title and the post info, which is this line, these two are contained in the hook or coming from the hook called Genesis entry header, and the post thumbnail and the excerpt or the content, these are all hooked to the Genesis entry content, and the post meta information, the filed under the categories and the tags, these things are contained in the Genesis entry footer hook. Okay, so now I know that the whatever this thing is, post info, that's contained in Genesis entry header hook. But how do I remove it? So we use the remove underscore action hook syntax or the function, and I always find it very handy to keep this file open, which is post.php, that is located under the parent Genesis theme library lib structure. And here you can see how the web page is made up of. We have the Genesis entry header. So in this entry header, all these things are being added. What we are more concerned right now is the Genesis post info, because that is, let's get rid of this first. So that would be Genesis post info. Okay. So I added to my child themes functions.php, and I'll just change add to remove. So here I'm just saying that from Genesis entry header hook or location, remove Genesis post info, and the priority value 12 is what I just copied directly from here. No need to change that unless you have to. So let's just save this, go back to the page and refresh. Okay, that takes care of it. Now the next task is to get rid of the post meta from Genesis entry footer hook. So if you go back to post.php and look in Genesis entry footer, you can see that there is a line which adds that to that location. So we just copy that and change add to remove the post meta from entry footer location. So if I come here and refresh, okay, that's gone. Now the next task is to move the post title from entry header and into the entry content. So we can break this into two steps. The first step is to remove the post title from entry header. So if I go to post.php, from entry header I have the post title line. So I'll just copy that and I'll change add to remove. Okay, so from entry header, let's remove the post title, save it, come back and refresh. Okay, now we have removed that from the entry header, and the next step is to add that to the entry content. So what I'll do is I'll just duplicate that line and I'll change entry header to entry content. Okay, Genesis entry content, because that's the location that we want to add the title in. So I'll save this, come back here and refresh. And what happened? Oh, I need to change remove to add. Okay, so now we have got the post title, but that is appearing below the excerpt or the content. And so let's see how this entry content hook is built. If you go back here, you can see that in entry content it says do post image, that is the featured image or the post thumbnail. So we have the post thumbnail appearing, and then do post content, which is this portion, the content or the excerpt as chosen in Genesis settings, and we have your other stuff. Anyway, so as you see, the post image is set to appear in the entry content with a priority of 8. Now the default priority is 10, and since the featured thumbnail is set to appear at a lower priority, it floats to the top. So think of it this way: if something has a lower priority, it is light, it floats to the top. Okay, so I just want to move the post title above, so I want to give it a lower priority than what it has currently. So how much value should I give? As you can see, this has a priority of 8, and since I want the title to appear immediately after or below this, I just need to give it a slightly higher priority than 8, so which would be 9. Okay, so if I give it 9, I come back here and refresh. There, it just moved from below the content up to this portion, to this location, but not before the post thumbnail, because this has the priority of 8 and this has the priority of 9. So which 8 is lower than 9, so this appears before or above the post title. And so let me remove this and refresh. So to summarize, the way that I work with Genesis child themes with customization, or I guess most people, is through add action and remove action, and using the plugin Genesis Visual Hook Guide, you can basically see what areas or locations or hooks are available that you need to remove the content from, and then to actually know what is the name of the function that you could remove or add. For example, Genesis post info, right? That's a function name. So how do you get that? So if you refer to post.php here, you can see the structure of how the content is displayed in the loop. So in the entry header, we have the post title, post info, entry content, all this stuff, entry footer, all these things. So whichever you want to remove, just copy that line and change add to remove. And if you want to move something from here to here, just copy that, put it here, and change the location or the name of the hook accordingly, and adjust the priorities if necessary. Remember that 10 is the default priority, and things with lower priority, they go up to the top, they appear at the top, and things with a higher priority, they go to the bottom. Okay, hope you found this helpful. Bye.